Hi everyone, this is Emmy. Today I'm going to show you how to crochet this stitch, which is just a modification of the waffle stitch, and it's a great dense stitch that you could use for making blankets or pillows or even sweaters. So let's get started. I'm working with worsted weight yarn and a 6mm crochet hook. Start with a slip knot and work a foundation chain in any number in multiples of 2 plus 1. When you have the foundation chain the correct length, double crochet in the 4th stitch from the hook. So yarn around the hook, 1, 2, 3, 4. Insert the hook into the stitch, pick up the yarn and pull it through, pick up the yarn, pull it through 2, pick up the yarn, pull it through 2. Now you're going to go ahead and work 1 double crochet in each of the stitches all the way across the row. Like that, all the way across the row. Like that, 1 double crochet in each stitch all the way across the row, and you'll have an odd number of stitches. Chain 2 and turn. Work a front post double crochet in the next stitch. To make a front post double crochet, yarn around the hook, insert under the post from the front of the next stitch, pick up the yarn and pull it through, pick up the yarn, pull it through 2 loops, pick up the yarn, pull it through 2 loops. In the next stitch, you're just going to make a regular double crochet. In the next stitch, make a front post double crochet, yarn around the hook, under the post from the front, and complete the double crochet. And a regular double crochet in the next stitch. You're going to repeat that all the way across the row. Front post double crochet in the next stitch, and then double crochet in the next. Like that, you're going to continue across the row. Okay, I worked all the way across the row. And that's your first 2 rows. And now I'm just going to repeat these 2 rows over and over. So chain 2 and turn. And that counts as the first double crochet. Double crochet in the next stitch. And double crochet in each of the stitches all the way across the row. Like that, 1 double crochet in each stitch all the way across the row. Okay, I worked all the way across the row, making 1 double crochet in each stitch. Chain 2 and turn. Work a front post double crochet in the next stitch. Double crochet in the next. Front post double crochet in the next stitch, double crochet in the next. And you're going to repeat that across the row. And then for the remainder of the pattern, you'll continue to repeat these 2 rows. 1 row of double crochet, and then 1 row of alternating a front post double crochet and a double crochet. And the last stitch is a double, and it's going to be the equivalent of the front post double crochet. Like that. And that's how that looks. So you just continue to repeat these 2 rows over and over for as long as you want your item that you are crocheting to be. For a pillow cover, start with a foundation chain that will wrap all the way around your pillow. Stitch to join and then work in rounds and work as many rows as you need to cover your pillow. Then you just have to sew the bottom and the top closed.